You know, there's a lot of people right now that their lives are kind of rocky, but they might not be rocky like this. If I'm gonna tell you my life is rocky right now, this will not justify my rockiness. This is the rock that will justify my rockiness. We should just embrace it.
Embrace the rocks.
Embrace the difficulties. No, there are a lot of people that's got some rocky situations in their life, and they can't make it work financially. They can't make it work spiritually. They can't make it work in their own minds, and their lives are falling apart. If that's you, figure out what that is and get some help. Your life part, then get some counseling. If it's your finances part, then get some counseling on that. Learn from people that have money how to make money. Everybody wants to bitch about people that have money. They did this, they did that. Instead of complaining about that somebody else has money, why don't you hook up with somebody that has money and have that person help you learn how to make money yourself? That's what we do at our real estate seminars. We bring people in so that we can help them become successful. Do we make money at the real estate seminars? I haven't made any money yet at a real estate seminar. My expenses cover what I make off of them. So far it hasn't been about making money. Will it eventually? I hope it does eventually. But it is the heart of myself and the heart of the people that I'm going to work with on the seminars are all about making you successful in your life. That is our desires, to make you successful. So come to the seminar, September 20th through the 22nd. Enjoy yourself.